The next revolution will be digitized. 4ART Technologies, blockchain technology for art.
To register an artwork in the 4ART app that is behind glass is really no different than registering artwork that doesn't have glass. The only thing that we require is one of these shields, which we can easily affix to our device. And now all unnecessary reflections are covered and we can create high quality fingerprints despite the glass reflecting some of the light. So let's register the artwork. We once again confirm. We have our helpful tips, which will help us to create the highest quality images possible. We continue. Now we take our overview shot of the artwork, like so. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Our light source is very general, so we choose up top, and then we crop our image down to make it look nice in our collection. Just like so. That looks excellent, wonderful. Now we continue. We enter the information. This one is called Kopie Übermalung. By Herbert Zangs. The year was 1972. It's easier for us to find this way. The material now are quite varied. So we have acrylic, we have a bit of pencil, and we have toner as well. We can choose a number of materials. We're not limited here, and the piece was created on paper, which we choose as well. We enter the size. And then we'll skip entering the location to continue. So we create our first fingerprint. So let's choose a spot that we can easily identify. Let's try this over here. Wonderful, that looks pretty good. So I confirm. And now I have my navigation ball being projected. I follow it in and then I create the fingerprint just like normal. We see a bit of reflection from the smartphone flash, but that's programmed into the system and nothing to worry about. So the fingerprint was created. Now again we wait and can signify where exactly we've placed the fingerprint. It's right on here. Confirm the position and then once again confirm our fingerprint. Our ball guides us in, and then having the circle green, we just hold still as best as possible. And there we go. The first fingerprint was created and we've secured the artwork even though it is behind glass and not in a natural setting. Let's choose a second spot. Let's try down here. So we move closer. There we go. Like this one as well. We have our ball projected and already we're creating the fingerprint. Very easy process. Takes roughly 10 seconds per fingerprint creation. And there we go. Second fingerprint is now in place. Again, we save where we have created the fingerprint right over here. Confirm the position and then we confirm the fingerprint once again. Catching our ball. And again, as you can see, the only reflection is of the flash itself. The phone is not reflected, and that's very important and allows us to register even these artworks behind glass. So let's try and find one last spot. I think maybe this time up top. So let's go over here, moving close. Not quite this time. Let's try this side. There we go, wonderful. We confirm. And now we already know the process. The ball guides us in. We wait until the circle is green. There we go, the fingerprint is created. We're almost done. This is where the fingerprint is located. Confirm the position. And as a last step, we confirm the fingerprint just to make sure that everything went smoothly and we have a high quality fingerprint created and saved so we can always identify the artwork and its documentation. So there we go. It's a wonderfully simple process, and I do have to say the effect and what we can achieve using this technology is quite extraordinary, especially for the first version. We can have a quick look at our passport. We have the overview image, our basic information. Let's register the artwork. We can finish the registration. We can add more documentation or enter provenance data. In this case, we'll skip all that and we'll go ahead and finish the registration. And here it is in our collection. Thank you very much.